How to cope with being a new girl. Everyone is new in school sometime. Whether it be entering kindergarten, high school, or starting in grade 7, everyone goes through with it. Some are shy, others enthusiastic. Whichever it is, here are some tips to help you cope. Steps. 1. Be on time. You won't get stared at if you turn up at the same time as everyone else. The latecomer always gets the stares. 2. Be confident. Don't act shy. Hold your chin up and walk confidently, but not quickly. Don't cross your arms or look defiant. Let your arms hang by your sides and smile. Smile. Sometimes it seems hard, but you'll seem more confident if you smile. Are you the shy type? Give a smile to everyone and try not to look nervous. People will surely try to look out for you, it's manners. 3. Talk to people. Start a conversation or two. Don't be shy. The worst people can do is look at you weird, but who cares about them? 4. Know where you stand. Obviously you aren't going to become the most popular girl right away. Don't act like you know it all. Act curious but guarded. 5. Dress nicely. Don't try to copy others. Dress in your style, but make sure your clothes are nice, stain-free, and that they fit you. Wear sensible clothes. Don't wear revealing clothes and avoid wearing anything with insulting or provocative phrases. Such things will only put people off. 6. Try to look pretty. Have a spa day the night before. Take a shower, brush your hair, and maybe even wear some makeup. 7. Join a club. It's a great way to make friends, and who knows, you might even pick up a new hobby. 8. Ask someone to show you around. Preferably someone you've already talked to. It's good to know your way around school so that you don't look silly. Don't be rude. First impressions count. If someone shows you around and keeps talking about something you are not comfortable with, don't say anything rude or hurtful toward them. Say something like I am not really comfortable with this because and then explain the reason. 9. Get connected on the World Wide Web. Ask people for their e-mails and talk to them on MSN, Facebook and MySpace. Just try not to seem like a stalker. 10. Have a good time. Smile and be friendly. It will make you more approachable. Tips. Don't push yourself too hard when trying to make new friends at school. If you do, people will get annoyed by you and cause drama. Be friendly. Chances are, people in your class like to meet new people, too. Work hard at your work, but don't act like a know-it-all. Don't act like a teacher's pet, either. If you got bad grades at your old school, try to get better grades this time. Warnings. Don't follow people around. People may find it annoying or creepy, so just casually go over and say hi. If they walk away, don't follow them. Don't let insults bother you. Of course there are going to be some people who will try to crack the new kid, just ignore them and continue on with your day. Don't sit by yourself. Talk to a few people and make some friends. Isolating yourself won't help. Don't be mean. You don't want to look like a snob. Nobody likes snobs. Things. Nice clothing. A computer.